Hello and welcome to the world of Hindware Kitchen Ensemble. Today, we are going to share information about installation and operation of semi-built-in dishwasher Mario to help us in using it better.
This video will explain the following details: benefits, unboxing, items in the box, installation procedure, features, and operation. Benefits. There are huge benefits of using a dishwasher, such as better hygiene, removes germs from utensils, sparkling utensils, and it saves time, efforts, and water. Unboxing. We will now unpack the dishwasher. Open the box. Remove polythene and packing. Items in the box. The items in the box are as follows: 1 fork shelf, 1 inlet pipe, 1 cutlery basket, 1 funnel, 1 drain pipe support clamp, 1 instruction manual, 1 warranty card, and pair of screws. Installation procedure. The dishwasher should be installed near the kitchen sink. To install, first measure the exact product dimensions. The cabinet cavity should be created according to these dimensions. On the back of the unit, we have the dishwasher inlet and outlet. Connect the inlet pipe to the dishwasher at the end, which has the elbow. The other end of the inlet pipe should be connected to the water supply. Fit the dishwasher into the cavity. There are 2 adjustable legs at the front, which can be rotated to acquire the desired height. There is also 1 leg at the back, which can be adjusted by turning the screw located in the front. The drain pipe support clamp should be installed at least 1 feet above the floor for perfect operations. Secure the screws and check installation thoroughly. Features. Let us learn about the many features of our semi-built-in dishwasher Mario. Electronic control with LED display. 6 programs: intensive, eco, light, 60 minutes, rapid and pre-rinse. Child safety lock. Up to 24 hours delay start. Alternate wash. Water overflow protection. Capacity to clean 12 place settings in one go. Adjustable upper basket. Stainless steel interiors. Can also be used at half load, and it comes with 2 years warranty. Operation. Now let us learn how to operate the dishwasher. Power switch. To turn on or turn off the power supply. Program switch. Press the switch to scroll through the wash cycles. 60 minutes, rapid, pre-rinse, intensive, eco, and light. Alt switch. Press this button to choose any additional function like washing in upper basket or washing in lower basket or both. Delay switch. This will allow to delay start time up to 24 hours. start-pause switch. This will start or pause the ongoing washing cycle. These are rinse aid and salt refill indicator. These indicators light up when dispenser needs to be refilled. Remove the lower basket and remove the cap. Fill around 500 ml water if you are using it for the first time. Add about 2 kg of salt and refix the cap. Fill the detergent chambers as per the selected program. Please refer instruction manual. To refill the rinse aid, open the dispenser and pour rinse aid into it. It is used to remove spots from washed utensils. The height of the upper basket can be adjusted to accommodate different sizes of tableware. Position the tableware in a manner which ensures that the utensils are not dislodged with the spray of water. Place large items which are difficult to clean, such as pots, pans, lids, serving dishes and bowls in the lower basket. The upper basket is designed to hold more delicate and lighter dishware. Pots, serving bowls, etc. must be placed top down. Deep pots should be slanted to allow water to flow out. The filter is located below the lower basket. It should be cleaned once in a week. Also, thoroughly clean the dust accumulated around the filter. Here is a guide to understand the troubleshooting codes. This completes the demonstration of Hindware Kitchen Ensemble Dishwasher. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hindware Kitchen Ensemble.